So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to connect and pair Vizio Soundbar to Roku TV, HDMI ARC, Optical and Bluetooth. Method first is HDMI ARC connection. Locate the HDMI port labeled ARC on eARC on your Roku TV and connect the HDMI cable. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI ARC port on your Vizio Soundbar. Power on both the Roku TV and Vizio Soundbar. Use the input button on your Vizio remote to switch to the HDMI ARC source. On your Roku remote, press the home button and navigate to setting, then system, then control to enable ECC. Second method is digital optical cable connection. Remove plastic protective caps from both ends of the digital optical cable. Connect one end to the optical output on the Roku TV and the other end to the optical input of the Vizio soundbar. Use the Vizio remote to change the source input to optical. On the Roku TV, navigate to setting, then audio output and select optical. If experiencing audio issues, go to setting, then audio, then digital to adjust PCM format setting. Thanks for watching.